approach button. Here is GS in white color. Soon it will turn to green color. Yes, that as you see. This means that the glide slope is captured. We are now at 4,900 feet altitude. If you press M button, we can see the little map as shown. This is our aircraft and this is our destination runway. We can have a cross section for the glide slope by picking here, as you see in the drop menu, KLAX runway 24R. Soon you can see also and check the path of your aircraft while landing through the glide slope. We reduce speed gradually now and flaps down 2 degrees as a start. We are at about 3,000 feet altitude now. We may reduce speed to 190 knots now and have our flaps angle to 10 degrees. Reduce our speed again to 180.
2,500.
2,500. Landing gear down. Reduce the speed a little again to 170 knots. And flaps down to 15 degrees. Again, reduce the speed to 160. We are now flying at 1,500 feet altitude and approaching the runway, which we can see here. There are 2 runways, 24 left and 24 right. Our destination is 24R, 24 right. Soon we will disengage the automatic pilot.
1,000 feet stabilized, Mr. Birch, altitude set.
Reduce speed to 150 and flaps to 30 degrees. If we check the cross section of the glide slope by clicking M, you see the path is very clear here. Adjust the speed again to 140.
500.
And flaps to 40. Now we disconnect
400.
automatic pilot.
$300.
A little high
200.
Think rate. Think rate. Think rate.
100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
knots.
Here we are. In this stage, the captain and the first officer should be highly concentrating on controlling the aircraft for a safe, nice landing. As you see here, oh, that's not bad at all. That's not bad at all. Okay, you should have enjoyed the flight.